Welcome back. What is AI? First, what does AI stand for? It's an abbreviation for artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how a computer can beat you at chess? Or how your phone knows what you're saying? That's the power of artificial intelligence. In other words, its intelligence is based on mountains of processed data by a computer. AI works by learning from data. This data can be anything from text and images to sounds and videos. The more data an AI has, the better it can learn and perform tasks. An English dictionary defines AI as computer systems or algorithms that imitate intelligent human behavior. Wait, we keep hearing about this thing called algorithms when we talk about AI. Before we delve into what AI is, let's take a moment to learn what algorithm is. An algorithm is a set of well-defined instructions for solving a problem or performing a task. Good data and good instructions or algorithms make AI to perform better. AI can help us in many ways, making our lives easier, making our jobs more efficient, solving problems that we can't solve on our own. For example, healthcare. AI will transform healthcare by assisting in diagnosis, treatment planning, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Enhancing education. AI can be used to personalize learning experiences and provide students with immediate feedback. For example, AI-powered tutors can adapt to each student's individual needs. Climate crisis. Addressing environmental challenges will require the use of AI to analyze data and develop sustainable solutions. Everyday convenience. AI will be embedded in our daily lives, from smart home devices to virtual assistants that help with routine tasks. Safety. AI will contribute to safer driving with features like lane keeping and will be integral in developing autonomous vehicles. However, AI isn't perfect. As AI continues to evolve rapidly, several major concerns have emerged surrounding its development and use. Algorithmic bias. AI models are trained on data sets that can reflect existing biases in society, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Privacy and security risks. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it raises concerns about the collection, storage, and use of personal data. Misinformation and disinformation. AI can be used to create and spread fake news and propaganda, potentially undermining trust in institutions and eroding social cohesion. Lack of transparency and accountability. Many AI systems are complex and opaque, making it difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can lead to concerns about accountability and fairness. Addressing these concerns effectively requires collaboration between governments, businesses, academics, and civil society. This includes developing ethical guidelines and regulations for AI development and use. By actively engaging with these concerns and taking concrete steps to address them, we can ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and beneficial way for all of humanity.